Hello, everyone, and welcome to another video on one of our CodeSign Secure integrations. Today's video will be focusing on our integration with Bamboo. Now, I'm not going to go through all the different steps involved in actually setting up and how Bamboo works and things like that. Instead, we'll just talk briefly about how the integration works, and you'll get a test idea of how exactly we've set it up and how exactly it works at the actual signing end. So taking a look here, we build a plan within Bamboo. So a little different than TeamCity or Azure DevOps, things like that. Bamboo uses a plan, and within that plan, you have your different stages and your jobs. And if we take a look at this script, you'll see this is very similar to what you would put into your command line to run a Windows signing. So in this case, we're calling the signtool.exe, and we're telling it to sign. We're providing our encryption consulting KSP here, as well as the alias of the key being used, so demo certificate. Then we have the signing algorithm. After that, we have the certificate that is being used, so we have the actual path to that certificate. After that, we have our timestamping server. So here we're using a publicly available one, digicert.com. Then we have our hashing algorithm. And finally, we have the file being signed. Now, if we go to our test files here, you can see that at 10:14, so today, about 10 minutes ago, was the last signing. So we should see that timestamp change, and we'll be able to go ahead and look at that once we run the signing. So if I go back here, we can see build 9 was our last one, and I can just run it from here. And if we just wait a moment, build 10 was a success. And we go into our logs. Now, very similar to TeamCity, you won't actually see the command line step being put out. You don't get the full, with this view, the full command and the debugging log that we have set up on our demo server. But we do get to see here that we have successfully signed test file 1.exe. So now, if I go back here, we can see the timestamp is changed. And we go into our properties and our digital signatures. And we can see that timestamp here was at 2:10 and 27 seconds. And if we open this up, we can view that certificate. So demo certificate was the key and certificate name that we used to sign. So as you can see, we have our integration with Bamboo here. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at www.encryptionconsulting.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.